This is topic D on page 83, displaying text in bulleted or numbered lists.
Often you'll need to present a series of items in a list and show that they are related. This sort of thing is often accomplished by preceding each item with a bullet character or numbering. Word provides formatting options for bulleted and numbered lists, which automatically add bullets and numbers to list items for you. So here I have a list of former students. I believe everyone's done with me now. Yep, looks like everybody's finished. So these are all former students. And suppose I wanted bullet points for this list. So a list is a data grouping method in which the items in a group are displayed one after the other. A list often has a lead-in sentence that provides a brief description about the items in it. There can be any number of items in a list. Lists can have a single level or multiple levels and can use various styles of numbers or bullets. So a bulleted list is an unordered list that contains items of equal importance. Items in a bulleted list are grouped under a single heading. Although unordered, bulleted lists can have multiple levels. You can customize a bulleted list by choosing different bullet styles. So my list of students, everyone is equal. No one is more important than the other. If I wanted to bullet this list of students, I would go up to my Home tab in my paragraph group, and here I have my bullet button and my bullet drop down. If you just want to apply the default bullets, which is just a filled little circle, you can click on the actual button. If you want to choose your bullet point, you can hit that drop down arrow. You'll have a bullet library. I'm going to have more options than you here because I've used more, but you can do, I know you have check marks in there, you have a star, you have arrows, so you just click on it and it will apply that bullet point for you. Now, suppose, let's say, for example, I had a new student come in, and let's say I had these in alphabetical order. Let's do that. Cancel this. Let's put my students in alphabetical order. Okay. And let's say I had a Michelle come in. So she would be under Melissa. So if I needed to add another bullet point, I don't have to retype the list. I just put my cursor after Melissa, hit enter, and you can see it automatically creates a new bullet point between those for me. And then I could go ahead and type the new student in there. Same thing at the end. If I needed to add anyone after that, hit enter, automatically creates a new bullet point. Backspace will delete it. Okay? So to choose your bullet points, just hit your drop down and it will apply them, whatever you choose. Now we also have numbered lists. And this is a vertical numbered list contains items that are displayed in a ranked order. Numbered lists can be multi-level and can be customized using different numbers or letter styles and formats. So here I have a list, reduce, reuse, recycle. So this is an important list that, has an order to it. You reduce first, you reuse second, you recycle third. Maybe you have a list of something like a recipe. That's not a bulleted list. That should be a numbered list so you know what steps in order to take for the recipe. So for this, you still want to select the list, go up to your Home tab, paragraph group, and here you have your numbering option. Again, you have a button and you have a drop-down arrow. If you want to just apply the default numbering, click on the button, you get the 1, 2, 3 with your periods. With the drop-down arrow, you have a whole library. Instead of the periods, you have the ending parentheses here. You can do Roman numerals, capital letters, lowercase levels. You have a lot of different options here. And we'll get into, in another section, actually creating our own numbered lists and bullet points as well. You can create a bulleted list out of pretty much anything. A letter, a symbol, a picture. If you have a picture of your grandma, you can make a bullet point out of it. So, but for our numbering, you can just choose from your drop down here, click to apply, and you get that numbered list. Same idea if I needed to add a number into my list in the middle of it. Just click at the end of the prior one, press enter. It's automatically going to update the numbering for you. You can see my new line was added as number 3, and it pushed recycle down to number 4. I backspace twice, and it will automatically correct that as well. If I need to add one at the end, put my cursor there, press enter, we'll restart the numbering. All right, so bullet points and numbering. All right.
Our next video will be activity 2.7 on page 84.